Hi, welcome to DRD Allotments. Dave and Dano here.
Hey.
Just come to, well, we're coming to a sort of an end of a chapter. As I say, we've had this allotment for 5 years. It's been a lot of work, but this season's really seen, you know, the hot weather we've had, we've lost a lot of plants, plus the neighbours have dropped out and we're getting bindweed all over the place. So we've decided to call it a day on this allotment. So we'll probably be finished by the end of the March. At the moment we're busy just tearing things down. And but it's not the end of DRD. We'll have got some hopefully in the future. So please keep an eye out for that. You know, one of the other things is at the moment none of it dry, so it's been hard to get stuff down here. But hopefully this one will be driving soon.
Yeah, just past my theory.
Right, everything's going to start his driving lessons soon. So that will help in the future project.
Yep.
I'd like to thank you all for supporting us on this, and I hope you carry on supporting it in the future. A big shout out to Dano's friend Lee, who's done a lot of work on this allotment and helped with, and my wife Julian and Rob, the other one of the art of DRD. Yeah, who, you know, they come down but not a lot. As I say, with me and Danny both working, it's been very hard getting down to keep things watered. We went through 6 barrels of water and we still lost a lot of plants.
You know, if you're moving further away from it.
And as I say, we've moved further away from the allotment, so it makes it harder to get down. So today what I'm going to be doing is going to dig some of this rhubarb up, because I promised me uncle some for his allotment. So I'm going to get that done. So please don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and when I get this rhubarb dig, I'll show you how we're going to split it. So catch you soon.
Right, so we'll cut in some rhubarb.
There's 2.
There's 2 of them. We've got this one. We'll cut some before and we forgot to air film it, so the first time we're doing this. But yeah, this is for me uncle.
There's 3.
There's 3 pieces there.
There's 3 pieces, that's what I wanted, wasn't it?
Yep.
Actually, oh yeah, it's got a bit of a rise on it.
Yeah.
See what this has got.
And there's the rice in there.
Oh shit. Maybe it won't wait to tear off.
Yeah.
Fucking big rise or not. Like that, shouldn't he?
Yep. There we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces there.
5?
Yeah. 1 there, isn't it? Is that 1? Or we've only got the 4?
Yeah, I did the root.
Oh, that's just root. That's the. So we've got 4 pieces there. So you should be happy with that.
Right. Here we've got another nice large courgette.
There we go.
What's that one like under there?
That one will still coming through. We've still got a couple there that's pretty new, so we'll leave there one for a bit.
Don't know what happens.
Might have someone over here.
Don't know what's going to happen with this. This is massive.
Yeah. I don't think we're getting any heads on it by the looks of it.
Is it? So see, winter's coming up soon. Yeah. Right. This is what carrots. Flipping hell.
They haven't come through yet.
Oh well. Can you pull one up and see what? If there's anything coming, if they're little. Oh well, little mini carrots, so ah well. So they're all there.
Yep.
Right. This is my beetroot. I think I'll still leave them for a bit because I think till we'll look for the first fruits coming.
Yep.
So we'll probably pick them in a couple of weeks.
And we're all going to empty these buckets.
Yeah. Right. Then these buckets is tatties. So we're gonna see what potato yield is like. If Danny can do it. Oh, tatties. Probably back in the bucket.
That's what I was trying to do.
There you go, we've got some tatties. Not many, but
Still haven't got.
good soil.
Oh, yeah.
Pull out these roots. Well, we've got some, but not many. Where are you going to put that? Good soil, man.
Yes.
Remember, go pot stuff up.
That's what I'm putting for one tray for.
Yeah, we'll have to cover it for the rain though. We'll have to pile it somewhere so we can, for the rain will just fill up the buckets. We're going to see what's in this one. There's some there, but not many again. There's a one on there.
Yep, I know. Oh, you got one there. I just seen it. Oh, that's the BB one. Too small. It's like buried for treasure. Yeah, but I think that's all of them.
That's it.
So, not many, but
Not many, but consider they've been in for a while.
yeah.
Right, nothing here. Any courgettes here? Little one.
Yeah, see, there's a next.
I've got nettled.
There's a big one down. Oh, there's that one getting chewed at.
Pull it out.
I can't get to it. You're close to it. You may have to go on there, up there. Can you see it? Okay.
That one's, yeah, that one's damaged. Compost pile. Let the rats have it.
Yeah.
There's a little one there.
If these nettles as well, I would have watched out for.
Yeah. Let's see what I'm going to. Ow.
Yeah.
I'm getting nettled. Well, so, oh well, that's it. And as I say, look at, we had all that cleared of bindweed. It's all back, all the way along. That's what we're fighting with all the
Look on
time.
the other side.
You know, it's even worse this side. Totally neglected that garden. So, and as I say, we had all this clear as soon as it started to rain.
Yep.
We're just forever fighting, and I just can't keep forward to buy this black stuff all the time. So, right, well, that's sort of a little tour as well at the end of that video. So, we'll catch you again soon, hopefully with some new news. So, watch this space. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumb up. Please comment, because we'll always get back in touch with you. So, DRD Allotment signing off. Bye for now.